No one likes loud and obnoxious neighbors. Am I right? Especially when you're in a hotel room or, let's say, apartment. It's just awful when your upstairs neighbor has no feelings for you, doesn't consider you, and is being as loud and as obnoxious as they possibly can. For example, this happened to me recently. Me and my friends, we were sharing a hotel room for a school trip, and everything was going amazing. And we went to bed fairly early as well, maybe 9:30, 10-ish, so it was a good time. But then we were all suddenly awoken at 1 a.m. because our upstairs neighbor was doing something. We have no idea what they were doing. It was either they were moving around furniture, having a huge party, or they were just jumping all over the place. And me and my friends, we couldn't sleep all throughout the night, and we were very tired the next day. And front desk wasn't much help either because we called them multiple times and they weren't able to do anything about it. So here's where my unique thought comes into play. How about for every hotel room or apartment, there's a little button. And if your upstairs neighbor is being loud and obnoxious, you can press that button and it would relay the same noise that you just heard to your upstairs neighbor. And hopefully it would penalize them and get them to second think before making more obnoxious noises. If you like this unique thought, let me know. And of course, this button would have certain things put onto it. For example, you can't just randomly press that button whenever you'd like. There had to be a certain noise level. Or maybe this button would be fully automated so that you don't even have to press the button and AI can do it for you. Once again, if you like this unique thought, let me know. And if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop, specialized for you so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. And if I could get my unique thought by just hotel rooms, then you can too. So make sure to keep your eyes and your mind wide open. As always, thank you so much for watching. See you all next time.